Most people use chia seeds every single day, but one common mistake can harm digestion, spike blood sugar, and quietly hurt your heart. They're marketed as a superfood, yet most people are using them in a way that wastes their real benefits. And if you've ever felt bloated, tired, or confused despite eating healthy, this might explain why. Here's the truth most people don't hear. Sprinkling chia seeds on smoothies or yogurt looks healthy, but most people are either wasting their nutrients, missing their real power, or quietly stressing their digestion. This is where people slip up. Let's fix it. Fact number 1. Chia seeds are not just fiber. Most people think chia seeds are only about digestion. Yes, they're rich in fiber, but here's what matters more. Chia seeds are also a powerful plant-based protein source. Just 2 tablespoons provide nearly 5 grams of protein, helping to control cravings, keep you full longer, support muscle repair, and stabilize energy levels. If you've ignored this, you've been underestimating these tiny seeds. And when chia seeds meet liquid, this is where everything changes. Fact number 2. They absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, and this can backfire. Chia seeds absorb water like a sponge. Visually, they swell and form a thick gel-like barrier, which is great for fullness, hydration, and slower digestion. But here's the mistake: eating them dry or barely hydrated. When that happens, they can expand inside your digestive tract, leading to bloating, discomfort, and constipation. That's why soaking chia seeds isn't optional, it's essential. And when prepared correctly, they unlock something even deeper: cell-level protection. Fact number 3. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants. Chia seeds contain powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, protect cells from damage, and slow oxidative stress. Think of antioxidants as your body's internal defense system. Every properly prepared spoonful supports your body, not just today, but long-term. And this next part explains why chia seeds are a game changer for energy and cravings. Fact number 4. Chia seeds help stabilize blood sugar. This changes everything, especially if you deal with energy crashes, sugar cravings, and binge eating. Chia seeds slow how quickly carbohydrates are absorbed. That means fewer blood sugar spikes, fewer crashes, and better appetite control. For many people, this is the difference between constantly fighting cravings and finally feeling steady and satisfied. Fact number 5. Chia seeds support heart health when used correctly. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These help reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol, improve blood flow, and lower inflammation in blood vessels. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day, properly soaked, can support heart health without expensive supplements or extreme diets. That's real, functional nutrition. How to use chia seeds correctly. Quick guide. Soak 1 to 2 tablespoons in water, milk, or yogurt. Let them sit at least 20 to 30 minutes, or overnight. Use them consistently, not occasionally. Pair them with balanced meals, not sugar-heavy foods. This is how you unlock their full potential. If this video changed how you see chia seeds, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I share simple, science-backed ways to make everyday foods actually work for your body, not against it.